Tippy! Don't eat the tires! Tippy! Oh, where's that leaking? And we have very green pastures because of the rain. Tippy! Come on, man. So every day I let him out in the morning. Tippy! And then I go and get him after a couple hours because they can't be out here all day long. As you can see, our ground is just saturated. We've got about 12 inches in 30 days, which is wonderful in July and August. But you can see everything's nice and green. I'll put Tippy to work to help me bring the horses in. I hope you guys can hear this. So we'll come around here. I don't know where Belle went. She's looking for her ball. Oh, there goes Tippy. I didn't ask her to do that. Hold on. Tippy, down. Down. You wait. Down. You wait for me to ask you. Yes. Healers. We try to control the urge. Belle has no desire to move horses. But she's over there looking for her ball. That's the only thing that interests Belle. Belly! Come on, Belly! Alright, let's get these horses in. Huh, Tippy? Whee! Okay, move! Move him, Tippy. Move him, Tippy. Atta girl. Good girl. Okay. I like the way she comes back. That's enough. You wait. That's enough. Down. 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 You wait. Good girl. Okay, you can move him. You can move him. Move him, Tippy. Good girl. Good girl. Move him. That's enough. I like the way she checks back with me to see if she should do it again. That's a good girl. Belle says, I'll heal this dang quad. Now let's see, this is the hard part. Let's see if she listens here. It's enough? With me? With me? Good girl. Good girl, Tippy. Ugh. I sure love this new quad. Good girl, Tippy, with me. I've tried to teach her that with me means that she's got to stay with me. Oi. Oi. Good girl, Tippy. Can you lay down? Lay down. Down. Good girl. And poor little Belly. She's like, I don't know where my ball is. Ugh, the flies. Happy days. Crazy chickens. Crazy chickens. I had to give them my zucchini and squash because they got all beat up from the hail. But the chickens will eat it, so that's good. Doo, doo. Chicky, chicky, chicky. I think he's a rooster. I think this one's a rooster. If this one's a rooster, he's going to have to find a new home. Oh. They were all supposed to be pullets, but I don't know. They're silly. They're silly chickens, silly dogs, silly horses, silly chickens. I love these little bantams with the fuzzy legs. Fuzzy legs! Fuzzy legs! I gotta go get Pumpkin. Ah. Hi, Donald. Hi, buddy. Tippy likes the water. Belle's not so sure. Where's your ball, Belle? Where's your ball? We need to go get Miss Pumpkin. She's had enough time on the grass, too. Huh, Boo Belle? Huh, Boo Belle? Kick the ball, Mommy. Cats, though. That Millie's coming, too. Hi, Millie. Donald. Hiding in the tall grass. Sure is beautiful. So this is where Danny is buried. Sometimes I just can't believe he's gone. Very sad. But he lived a fabulous life, and I'm glad he's buried here. Yeah. Life goes on, doesn't it? Comes and goes in chapters. I wonder what my next chapter will be. Here's my next chapter. Pumpkin, meow meows, doggies, doggy, Flynn, Uno. Very blessed. Very, very blessed. Monkey, she wants, give me one brain. There you go. Come on. Come on, kitty, 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 kitties. Look at those kitties. Wherever I go, I'm the Pied Piper. I got 50 million little creatures following me around. What a blessed life, huh? I suspect this water will be here until it turns into a nice skating rink. Oh, here comes kitties. Come on, kitty kitties. There's Marty. He's a champ. What do you think, little Miss Pumpkin? Blow it up out there? Look at these kitties. How did you make it back out of pasture to lounge around here like you've been here forever? Hi, Punky. These guys. Critters, critters everywhere.